Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning in to another video. So we're gonna have a short discussion today. And today I came across a person asking a question: are day trading gurus here to really trying to teach traders how to trade, or beginners traders how to trade, or they're just trying to make profit off of these people? And before I jump into answering this question, let me know. Put it on the comment section and let me know how you feel. Do you feel like they're trying to make a buck off people, or they're really out here trying to teach people how to trade? Me personally, I feel like everyone have their own agenda, and you have to just be careful in who you trust. There are some traders out here that are genuinely trying to help trading communities to actually learn how to get their feet wet in the stock market or whatever market. It could be forex, futures, crypto. But there are some genuine people that are out here trying to help. But there are, on the other side, some scammers that are just trying to make a buck off of other people trying to learn how to trade in the market, whatever market that may be. So my advice to you guys, if you're looking for an actual teacher to learn how to trade, follow them on social media, look at their YouTube video, and just get a feel of how they operate with their followers or the people that come to actually watch them. Because sometimes you can tell a lot based off just watching people and how they operate. Watch a couple videos. Do you feel like they're genuinely trying to help? You could get an idea if they're really just out here trying to make a buck. Because now, if they're trying to make a buck, you can see that they're promoting it all over their video. Oh, go buy this course. Oh, go do this. If you're in a space where you're looking for a teacher and they're trying to give genuine information that they're not asking you to go pay for this right now to get the rest of it, then most likely that person is genuinely trying to help you get your feet wet and giving you the option if you want to go purchase that course or signal, which I don't agree in signal. I prefer learning how to trade than waiting for someone to give a signal. I think you can get a feel of how someone is operating just by watching them. So just to sum it up, like I said, it's a quick video. If you're looking for a teacher or someone that's gonna help you trade in the stock market, forex market, futures market, whatever entity that is, just check them out. Keep an eye on them and see if they give you scammy vibes or they look like they're trying to be genuine. I went through a phase of where I was looking for a teacher to show me the ropes of how to actually trade, and I came across one person. There was other people, but there was one person that I felt comfortable with. Just to be honest, like the tone of their voice, the connection was there. And I was realizing I was learning how to trade much easier watching that person versus someone else on the other side. So it's just all about you getting the feel of how that person teach. That's one. If they're giving you scammy vibes, do they seem like they know what they're talking about? And anything that they're talking about or information that they give, go on the internet. There's a ton of videos and information about trading, so you can go back and search online to see if whatever they're saying is correct. The overall market, whatever it may be, stocks, forex, future, they all have different characteristic, but there are people that see the same thing or trade the same way. So once you do some research and you see other people saying, okay, they do the same thing, there's a high chance that whatever that person that you're listening to is actually correct and they're doing exactly what other people are doing. It's all about doing your research, following that person on their journey, looking at their archives of learning videos, and see if they give you the vibe that make you feel comfortable. It's all about you. If you're comfortable, then you're going to learn better. If you're not comfortable on how they're speaking and what they're showing you, they might be telling you to pay for this to get this, and it's all about profit for them, then I think you should change direction. You know, one thing I could say to you, just learn how the atmosphere work when it comes to trading. A lot of these traders, some of them, not all of them, they make their profit off of you guys. So buying the courses and signals and all the other stuff that they offer on their website and on their social media and their YouTube video. In reality, they don't have to really do anything on their end in terms of trading. You know, sometimes they use demo accounts to pretend like they're using real money, which they're not. So you just have to be careful and do your own due diligence. Only you can make that decision on your own, right? So study, pay attention to who you're learning from, go do research, because there's a lot of information on the internet, right? There are good ones and there are false information, but if you see something consistently popping up in front of your face, that means there's a high chance that what you're learning is correct. All right, so that's it, guys. Remember, put in the comment section, give me your thoughts. It's Key Life Trading, and thanks for tuning into this video. Peace.